Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online business, but you don't have any products, no warehouse, and no money for stock? Well, guess what? You can still start right now. Welcome to the world of dropshipping, a business model that's changing how people earn online. In this video, we'll break it down: what dropshipping really is, how it works, how much you can earn, and what to avoid if you want success in 2025. So stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to start your own dropshipping business step by step. So, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a type of online business model where you sell products without keeping them in stock. Here's how it works. 1. You create an online store using Shopify, WooCommerce, or even TikTok Shop. 2. You list products that come from suppliers or manufacturers. 3. When someone buys from your store, you simply forward that order to your supplier. 4. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer. That's it. You never touch the product yourself. You just manage the online store, take orders, and keep the profit. Let's imagine an example. You create a store that sells wireless earphones for $50. You find a supplier on AliExpress who sells the same earphones for $20. A customer buys from your website for $50. You pay your supplier $20 and they ship it directly to the buyer. You keep the $30 profit without ever seeing or holding the product. That's the beauty of dropshipping. Low risk, no inventory, and full flexibility. You can sell from anywhere, even while you're sleeping. Now you might wonder, why is everyone talking about dropshipping again in 2025? The reason is simple. Platforms like TikTok Shop, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Marketplace are now allowing small sellers to reach millions of buyers for free. AI tools make it easier to find winning products, write descriptions, and even handle customer chats. You don't need a big investment. Sometimes even $50 to $100 can get you started. That's why many young entrepreneurs are starting dropshipping stores as their first online business. All right, let's see how you can start today. Here's a quick 5-step guide. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a product category you like. For example, fitness, pets, tech gadgets, or home decor. Step 2. Find a reliable supplier. Use sites like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Spocket to find products with good reviews and fast delivery. Step 3. Create your online store. Shopify is beginner-friendly, but you can also use WooCommerce or TikTok Shop. Step 4. Set up marketing. Create TikTok videos, Reels, or run Facebook ads showing how your product solves a problem. Step 5. Manage orders and customer service. When you get sales, forward the order to your supplier and make sure your customers are happy. Now let's talk about money. Dropshipping profits depend on your pricing and marketing. Some beginners make only $100 per month, while skilled marketers make $10,000 plus. Your main job is to find winning products and promote them effectively. Remember, the profit margin is usually 20 to 50% per sale. Before you jump in, let's look at both sides. Pros: no need to buy stock. Work from anywhere. Easy to scale. The more you sell, the more you earn. Cons: high competition. Shipping can take time. You rely heavily on your supplier's quality and delivery speed. But if you handle it smartly, by choosing trusted suppliers and marketing well, you can build a long-term business. So that's dropshipping in 2025. A powerful way to start earning online with almost no investment. It's not get rich quick, but if you stay consistent, test products, and learn marketing, you can turn it into a real business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment Dropshipping 2025 below, so I know you watched till the end.